Welcome to ARC, your go-to destination for mastering industrial automation. Today, we're diving into the heart of SCADA systems with our exclusive series, Wincc 7.5 Mastery.
Today, we will learn how to communicate with the S7-1500 PLC and how to create a PLC tag. Afterward, we will proceed to use the PLC tag on the screen. Additionally, we will write logic for motor control and activate it from the SCADA system. Let's first go through how to create a PLC tag. Detailed steps are as follows. Navigate to the Tag Management section within Wincc. This is where you can define and manage your tags. Right-click on Tag Management and add a new driver named SIMATIC S7-1200 and 1500. This driver is specific for the 1200 series and 1500 series PLC. Right-click on OMs and create a new connection. Assign a specific name to the connection. Here, we are PLC1. Make sure the runtime is not active. Now, create a group for the identification of tags. In the Tags section, you can create tags. In the Name section, write the name of the tag, like PLC1_M1_start. Then, select the data type of the tag. Open the PLC program to check the PLC tag address. Check the address of the tag. Here in DB1, we have created a tag. Assign the tag address of the PLC. In Tag Management, assign tag address. Now, open the Graphics Designer and go to the Start button. Assign the tag name to the button action. On press, set the value to 1, and on release, set the value to 0 for the tag. Repeat the same for the Stop button. Select the motor object and go to the Animation tab, as we studied in the last video. Change the new tag from the PLC. Set up the basic login for motor start/stop from the push button so that we can display the animation of the motor and control its operation from the SCADA system. Download the PLC logic to the simulator. A simulator is a very useful tool for testing PLC logic without hardware. In the same way, we can download PLC logic here. After download done, put PLC in run mode so we can test our logic. We open block and check in monitoring on. SCADA to PLC communication is not established. Check the reason for the failure. Here, we selected the SIMATIC S71200 driver, which is used to communicate with 1200 and 1500 PLCs. However, in simulation, we are using an S7300 PLC. For the S7300 PLC, we need to activate the Simulation S7 protocol suite in SCADA. Let's activate it. Right-click and add the SIMATIC S7 protocol suite. Then, select the PIP section and add a new connection to the PLC. Now, copy the tags from the older driver connection to here and rename them accordingly. The crucial step is to ensure that the connection parameters are correct. Here, we need to assign the PLC IP address and communication unit for successful communication. Now, communication is established between the PLC and SCADA. Check the control from SCADA to PLC. Press the Start button, and observe the motor starting. You can verify the same in the PLC logic. Thank you for watching.